Well, Tanushka, now the sale of tickets on the platform has stopped. From what we are hearing is there were 2,600 tickets that were sold at the platform on that unfateful Saturday between 6 to 8 p.m.
Exactly, Divya. This is the latest that we have from the railways here, and I am exactly at the New Delhi railway station. I am currently standing outside platform 16, wherein the stampede tragic incident happened day before yesterday at night. And as of now, to look into the crowd situation, to manage the crowd as well on these platforms in the railway station, no platform tickets are being sold. So sale of platform tickets have been closed to control and manage the crowd. Now, definitely this does raise the question that why, these sort of measures need to be taken only after a mishap of this magnitude happens. Secondly, the unreserved ticket sale for Prayagraj, for trains to Prayagraj continues. However, one must note that these are unreserved tickets. The information that we also have with respect to data of the trains that went to Prayagraj all over the country yesterday in the past 24 hours, that is Sunday, were 388 trains and around 18.48 lakh passengers, more than 18.48 lakh passengers traveled to Prayagraj yesterday. This is the latest figures that we have from the railways. So a lot of trains, a lot of people, but of course the basis remains that how is it that this sort of crowd management understanding comes only after a mishap. 18 people lost their lives, including 3 children, many women and elderly persons as well, and this was a definitely unfortunate incident. We do have heavier police deployment, Delhi police deployment at the platform as well. However, from the railways, what we hear is that we are not being allowed to report from inside the platforms anymore. Earlier we were being, we were right at the platforms showing you the visuals of trains coming in and going out, these special trains to Prayagraj going from Delhi, and devotees also coming back from Prayagraj after their Mahakumbh festivities and visits. But we are now stationed outside because we're not allowed to report from inside. So these are the latest developments that we have for you from the New Delhi railway station in the aftermath of the stampede, which cost the life of 18 people. Back to you.
Right, Tanushka, of course, what lessons have been learned? Of course, certain measures that are being put into place as far as the railway station in New Delhi is concerned. But what about other stations? Because there are a lot of people who are coming in to Prayagraj from various railway stations. And our colleague Prabhakar gets us this report as to what are the changes that are being implemented and what are the issues that the passengers have been facing. So, Prabhakar, really breaking it down for us as to what is it that, is the situation on the ground in terms of other railway stations in the country, particularly from Patna. How are the passengers being affected by this recent tragedy? Have any lessons been learned? Or the problems and the issues that the passengers have been facing, do they continue? Let's find out.
Fortunately, the railway has woken up after this tragic incident happened at Delhi. So we have been here coming to Patna railway station for last 20 days. We have not seen any adequate arrangement as far as the crowd management is concerned. The people were actually left to fend for themselves. This is the platform number 4 and 5 of Patna railway station, from where the trains traveling towards Banaras and Prayagraj originates, and also all the Kumbh special actually starts from here. There are around 10 Kumbh special which originates from Patna and travels towards Prayagraj. So this platform usually is filled with people. It's overcrowded. There was no crowd management on the ground before this stampede happened, but yesterday when we visited here, there were adequate number of security forces, the RPF, the Railway Protection Force Jawans, also the volunteers of NCC and Bharat Scouts. They were all deployed here for the crowd management. This is a morning hour, so you will see the station is almost empty. There's no crowd here, so there's no need of any management. But if you come here around 4ish, 5ish, that is when the maximum number of trains actually leave for Prayagraj. So this station is completely jam-packed then. But 2 days back, the crowd management on the behalf of railways was completely negligible. But what we are seeing from yesterday, that the railway has woken up to this cause, and they're trying their best to ensure that there's no stampede as far as the Patna railway station is concerned, and people actually board the train in a organized fashion. So that's why the deputation has been made here.